guys, welcome back to the KB channel, and today I am going to be showing you my Cloud Fluff slime. So yeah, I mean not Cloud Fluff, I meant to say cornstarch slime. So yeah, I showed you a cornstarch slime before, but this is kind of different. So yeah, and the ingredients are Elmer's glue, paint, shaving cream, eye contact solution, cornstarch first, and baby oil, and then eye contact solution. And yeah, and just keep adding more cornstarch if you need to when the slime's done. So yeah, and I'm going to be just showing you it and at a different angle, so I need to hurry up, and yeah! And I just found out I'm not going to be in a rush anymore because I don't have to be anymore because we're not going to where I thought we were going to go really quick. And I added cream. It looks like a nice, pearly, big blue. Like, it's so beautiful, soft, like a baby blue. But in the camera, it looks like it's like a regular cotton candy blue. But in real life, it looks better. I don't know why it looks like that on camera. I don't know. It's just acting up with you guys. Oh, and last time on my Cloud Fluff video, I accidentally said the words are backwards. It's because on this screen it's like reflective, so it showed me the words backwards, but then when I saw the video it was actually not backwards, so yeah. Oops. Next angle. Peace. Oh, and I changed the color of my braces. Purple and blue. Trying to figure this out. Why does it look so dark? Why is it not showing anything? Some other slime right here. Okay. Sorry. Oh my god, this is just not working out. It's gonna record itself. Wait, where is it? Oh, it's right here. It's all the way. Hold on, let me just swirl. Just getting it ready. Wasn't the best, but it was okay. And I got a new bed set if you saw different sheets, so yeah. Sorry. I'm going crazy because of the camera. It's not going right. It's so shaky. Cringy. This is like how to make butter slime if you don't have enough clay and you have cornstarch, and just use that. Or just put a ton of cream in your fluffy slime. It works. Did I say if you don't have any butter? I meant to say clay if I did say that. That's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. I know the camera angle was so horrible, and yeah, and if you're still watching this, put hashtag still hanging, and yeah, if you can't comment, then I know, but yeah, so that's it for today. Shout out to Spongy Rocks, because he's my brother. He doesn't have a YouTube account, but he does have his own account, which he could comment now and like now. So yeah, and that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace out. Bye.